Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is not gonna be with my hair because as you saw in my last video, I have my mini twists and I'm really liking them right now. But I'm going to be doing a video with my mother. As you guys, if you haven't already, I did do a define wash and go her hair. I just did some little figure curls because her hair is still fairly short and the curls aren't popping. That's why I'm thinking like her hair is a tighter texture than mine. Just for that simple fact. And also, you know, my hair is weighted down because I have some actual length. So I'm thinking today I'm going to do a Bentonite clay hair mask on her hair just to make sure her hair is thoroughly clean. It is moisturized. Any toxins or whatever is in her hair will come out because we are trying to get her hair to grow. As you can see, it is pretty short, but it's been like that since I went natural, which was back in 2012. So kind of taking initiative to help her hair grow because she don't think her hair can grow. So we shall see. This is going to be a growth journey for her, and I'm going to try to document that for you guys. Hopefully we'll see some great results, and maybe that can help you guys if you feel like your hair isn't growing. I will probably do a video explaining why your hair may not be growing, just a few little things to keep in mind. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start her clay mask. I'm going to do a little watered down, put it in a spray bottle. I know, make it a little bit less messy than normal. And yeah, and hopefully her hair comes out good. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.